Why does your scanner show the P2609 engine code? What does it mean? P2609 is a diagnostic trouble code for intake air heater system performance. This engine code indicates that the vehicle's PCM has detected a malfunction in the intake air heater or its wiring. This system is critical for preheating the air in diesel engines to ensure proper starting, especially in cold weather. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Intake air heater failure, wiring and connection issues, faulty relay, failing grid heater bolt, powertrain control module PCM failure. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Dodge models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.